Okay, so SmackDown. Syempre, it's in Chicago. Sinimulan at tinapos ni CM Punk. The favor storyline is Paul Heyman sa side ni CM Punk during his triple threat match against Roman and Rollins. Tapos, the debut of Rey Fenix. Nice, maganda. Jacob Fatu winning against LA Knight. Okay lang, expected. Medyo, predictable. And ano pa ba? Yung ibang matches medyo yung kay Cargill, confrontation nila with Naomi. So basically yun, nakaset na for WM41. And eto, yung kay Kevin Owens na syempre injured siya ngayon, may neck-injury siya. Ang problema, sino yung mga kalaban ni Randy Orton? Tingnan natin sa WrestleMania 41. Though, ito yung for me, maganda yung SmackDown ngayon compared sa mga nakaraan. Yun lang.